Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Fire tablets are kind of fantastic for listening to music. They are portable, have a good battery life and come with the Amazon Music option pre-installed. But sometimes the app acts up. Maybe it won't open, songs won't play, or downloads aren't working. Since Fire tablets run a customized version of Android, the fixes are a bit different than on standard phones. So into this small tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to get Amazon Music working again on your Fire tablet, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, before even going through all of them settings and steps, make sure you are fully connected to the internet by going through your Fire tablet. Swipe down from the top to open quick settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and connected, and also the signal must be strong. Then try opening a website like InSilk browser to confirm internet access. Then you can full stop the app and clear the cache by going through settings, applications, manage all applications. Scroll down and tap on Amazon Music, tap full stop, then clear the cache. Then we're gonna go back and relaunch our app. If that didn't work as well, we have to go and check for any updates. After restarting our tablet, of course, we're gonna go back to the App Store on our Fire tablet, look for Amazon Music. If an update button appears, just tap it, wait a couple seconds, then you can use your app. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.